So after I made the microphone holder, I realized that it'd be nice to have a clip on there to hold the cord. So in Fusion 360, I'm going to show you a more complete version of designing a part. First I'll draw a circle, the diameter of the flexible arm. Next I'll offset that line for the thickness of the clip that goes around the flexible arm. Then I can draw a circle that is the diameter of the cord, and then create a center line, construction line, and I need a snap point on my small circle. Then I can connect the two circles on their tangent, and then move the snap point to the center line, and then offset the cord thickness snap. Then I can create another little circle here. You'll see what it's for in a minute. But I am going to connect it tangent to the inner circle, and then create another circle for the lower snap, and also connect it tangent. And I'll just move these to the approximate locations where they're going to go. You'll see what it looks like in a minute. So I'll just put some dimensions on here to kind of lock it in. And then I can mirror those two to the other side using that center line. And then we can just trim away the parts that we don't need. And there you can see it's going to have an upper snap and a lower. And those little circles kind of act as decorative slide points. And then I just need to put some dimensions on these thicknesses, and the basic drawing is done. Next, we can extrude the different parts to their widths that we need. So this is about 8mm for those slides, and then the barrel is like 6mm, and the lower barrel is going to be like 5mm, I think. And then just extrude these out so they stick out just a little bit more than the lower barrel. And then turn off the drawing and turn it around and see if it looks right. Next, I'll spend a little time shaping it up and softening all the edges. Okay, I think that looks good. Time to print it.